This is a $1 billion chocolate factory, the most expensive chocolate factory in the world. And I was invited for an exclusive tour of the inside of it. So as a peace offering, I brought an unreleased Feastables product. Let's go check it out.
Jimmy, how do we get in?
I thought you talked to a guy.
I did talk to a guy.
Door's not opening.
Let me in.
Well, bang on the door.
I did. Hello? Is anyone here? What? Ah!
Why'd you shut it?
I didn't do anything.
Jimmy!
Open the door.
Scanning. Access denied. Uniform detected. Open mouth.
What?
Chocolate consumed. Access granted.
Hello? I was told by some guy I'd be getting a tour. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, all right, excuse me. Hey, I need my briefcase. Let go of me. Why would you even need that? Oh, got it. Oh, no.
There's no other way in. Jimmy's toast.
Should we go get help?
We're not doing anything until we get further instruction from Jimmy.
Oh, how loyal. I see what you're trying to do.
What?
You're hoping Jimmy's dead.
What a horrible thing to say.
Oh, he's definitely dead.
Why would I be hoping that?
I mean, we're all thinking the same thing. The question is, how do we settle this like responsible adults?
Settle what?
Who gets Jimmy's channel?
Oh! Oh! That's good.
I mean, we could 1v1 for it.
Just don't tell Carl or Tariq.
The CEO would like to have a word.
All right, chill. Okay. All right, what's up?
Hello, Mr. Donaldson. We hope you enjoyed your complimentary chocolate on arrival.
Are you the guy that I spoke to?
Yes, I'm the guy.
I think there's a misunderstanding. I was supposed to be, getting a tour.
There is no misunderstanding, Jimmy. We are well aware of what you've been doing. You've become, in recent years, quite the chocolatier. But the truth is, you have a lot to learn. Our company has been in the chocolate business for nearly 200 years. We have certain standards, certain traditions. If you want to make chocolate, Jimmy, I'd advise you get back in line and stop messing with the way it's always been.
I didn't mean to disrupt your work line.
Oh, Jimmy, I'm not talking about the work line. Have a lovely day.
Who are you? Shh. I'm gonna get you out of here.
Why are you helping me?
Oh, my briefcase. Thank you. Shh. I tried your chocolate milk.
Yeah? Was it good?
What's going on? I remembered something. My dad was a truck driver. In the summer, I'd ride along on his work route with him. This factory was one of his stops. He'd load all of the chocolate ingredients through this door right here. And keys work.
And you only remember this now?
I don't think I'm the only worker with memory problems. Let's get out of here.
Well, what about them? We can't leave them behind. Is there any way I can make a call? Surely there's a phone somewhere in here. We need a distraction. Everybody, this is a mystery briefcase. And inside this briefcase could be $100,000. The keys to a Lamborghini, or a beverage that gives you back all your childhood memories. And whoever takes their hand off of it last keeps what's inside. Good luck.
What is all this commotion? Who is responsible for this?
Winner keeps the channel. Oh.
Hello?
Guys, I need you to do exactly what I say, okay?
Wait, who is this?
I'm a friend of Jimmy's.
Can you prove that?
Is this Nolan? Jimmy told me to say hi to your mom.
Oh, okay.
What do you need us to do?
Who's gonna win? Oh, you're out. Nope, you took your hand off. Get out of here.
Everybody please, settle down and return to your stations.
Around town. Oh, you took your hand off. You're out.
Ah, it looks like somebody didn't finish their chocolate. Sound the alarm.
Oh, God. Okay.
I guess Jimmy's still alive.
Yeah, we'll have to circle back on who gets the channel.
Resistance is futile, Jimmy. You might as well just stop fighting, and we can all get back to work.
I'm not eating the chocolate. No, get that away from me.
Eat it.
I don't want it. I'm not eating it. Stop. No. Ah!
Drop the load!
I can't see the target.
Chandler, we're running out of time! Drop the load!
Hold.
Eat the chocolate. Eat it, Mr. Donaldson. Eat the chocolate, Jimmy.
Now! Obviously, even though this is a movie, this brand new Feastables chocolate milk is actually real. And it's now available in Walmart, 7-Eleven, and Speedway locations nationwide. It's real whole milk, packed with fair trade cacao, loaded with protein and vitamins, and honestly, tastes better than any chocolate milk I had as a kid. But you might have noticed, the workers in the movie lost all their childhood memories. Sadly, that's not just a movie plot. Today, 45% of children living in cacao-growing households in West Africa are involved in illegal child labor, meaning they're not growing up with the childhood memories they deserve. That's why at Feastables, we're doing things differently. We use fair trade certified cacao, we pay our farmers a living income reference price, and we audit and remediate child labor on our farms. Because we believe every kid deserves to be just a kid. And that's why when you drink our brand new Feastables chocolate milk, you'll be aiding us in our efforts to get kids out of illegal child labor and chocolate. Hey, Jeff. Great character. Tell me what you think.
Oh, that's really good, man.
It's good?
That's really good.
Let's go, guys. Go give it a try.